So I'd like to give one little use case each time on what we're doing at different customers to implement AI into their business workflows. So this month, talk about a customer that actually gets a lot of paper mail. And they were trying to figure out how do they handle that paper around their business, and they were really spending a lot of time trying to get the right piece of paper to the right person and make sure it wasn't getting missed, and um, you know, dealing with that whole process. I'd like to talk a little bit about what we do there. So they were spending literally scanning, sorting, classifying, routing documents, moving it. There's just always a worry that there were invoices and legal documents in there that they couldn't miss, and they were afraid that it was going to the wrong places. So we've implemented an AI-based workflow for them that first they scan everything in just in batch in their mailroom, and we receive these giant PDFs of scanned mail. And the first thing we do is we split them into individual documents automatically. Then we have a classification engine that takes each document now and classifies it to figure out who it is and extracts all the information. In this particular case, they're doing property work with multiple properties. So we find the underlying property that this document is referring to. Based on that, we route it to the correct team, and then we give them a table in our system where they can manage all the routing rules. So as they have different people in charge of different things, they can kind of maintain it right in a simple table to handle it. Anything that's an exception, we have a special exception handling thing. And when it's all done, it goes into SharePoint into the right folder. So literally within seconds, they're sort of taking what was a very complex error-prone process and managing the whole thing through the use of AI, which is classifying, extracting, understanding, handling routing rules, all in the system. So I think they're vast. Right out of the box, we were at 80% handling, and I think we'll probably get to over 90% handling, and it's made a big difference to their business. I think it's a nice example of document handling in the real world.